Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2017 Mercedes-Benz E220D AMG line premium. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example here is finished in the optional diamond white metallic paintwork. The vehicle comes with the optional night pack styling, which includes the night pack style alloy wheels painted in black with the diamond turned facing. You also have the gloss black mirror caps, privacy glass for the rear windows, and also the chrome Panamericana style front grille on our particular model. The vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights with the LED headlamps, LED tail lights, the AMG line exterior styling with the unique front and rear bumpers, and also a half leather and half fabric interior upholstery. You get fully electric front seats with the memory settings on the door cards, a panoramic glass sunroof visible above which does slide and open. You also have the keyless go function with the keyless start-stop button, and the command online system including the touchpad on the centre console and the upgraded central display screens, including the screen behind the steering wheel and the screen on top of the dashboard connecting together. The vehicle as standard comes with a leather trimmed steering wheel with access to cruise control, all of the controls you would expect throughout the centre console area with access to your infotainment systems, your climate control functions, and also your central display screen as mentioned, where you can access your DAB radio, your Bluetooth connectivity, your different dynamic drive modes, your satellite navigation, and also the reversing camera, including the front and the rear parking sensors. Lastly, the vehicle does come with plenty of boot space available in the rear for all of your storage needs. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.